Did I leave the stove on?
This week we're watching Deadpool, and this movie has all you need to get through exams, including these 12 days of exam tips. Let's get started. I'm Professor Kathy, and I help students get better grades in less time. And I teach using a Netflix style of learning, and this week I'm watching Deadpool. And in this scene, Deadpool's roommate Al is trying to assemble some IKEA furniture, but the furniture falls apart, and Al doesn't know why. If you study using only multiple choice questions, you're going to have the same problem. If you make just one mistake, the entire question falls apart and you don't know what you did wrong. So today's exam tip, tip number 7, don't study with multiple choice questions until you're ready. The questions that you get wrong, you're going to look at the solutions, but you're not going to know what you did wrong, so that's not very helpful. And when you check your answers at the end, you're not going to spend a lot of time looking at the ones you got right, but maybe you got it right because you guessed. You just don't know. Have you ever lost marks on a multiple choice exam because it was many steps and you got only one thing wrong? Hit like if that has ever happened to you. Stay tuned for our next exam tip. And take a look at this next scene, and if you can guess what that exam tip, drop it in the comments below. We'll see you next time.